In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. All you need to do is launch Settings and scroll to click on Users and Accounts. Then tap on gear icon right next to Google and hit Google Password Manager. Now, tap on the password you wanna delete, enter your screen lock and use the Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!